30 secrets to get long and healthy hair naturally. Do you wish your hair grew faster, thicker, and healthier? You're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 30 natural secrets that can help you achieve the hair of your dreams without breaking the bank. Stick with me until the end because tip 30 is the most surprising of them all. Hair care and lifestyle. 1. Trim split ends every 2 to 3 months. Split ends travel up the hair shaft, causing damage. Regular trims keep your hair healthier and prevent unnecessary breakage. 2. Use rice water as a rinse to strengthen hair. Rice water is rich in inositol, a carbohydrate that repairs damaged hair and protects it from future damage. Ferment it overnight for the best results. 3. Apply DIY masks like banana and honey weekly. Bananas restore moisture, while honey acts as a humectant, locking hydration into your strands. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes before rinsing. 4. Protect your hair from heat styling tools. Use a heat protectant spray and limit tools like curling irons and straighteners to 1 to 2 times a week. Excess heat weakens hair and leads to split ends. 5. Braid your hair before bed. Braiding prevents tangles and breakage caused by tossing and turning in your sleep. Opt for loose braids to avoid stress on your scalp. 6. Switch to a wide tooth comb. Avoid brushing wet hair with regular brushes. Use a wide tooth comb to detangle gently, reducing breakage. 7. Avoid tying your hair too tightly. Tight hairstyles like ponytails and buns create tension on your scalp, which can lead to traction alopecia over time. 8. De-stress. Yoga and meditation reduce hair fall caused by stress. Stress interrupts your hair's natural growth cycle. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily meditating or practicing yoga to promote a calm mind and healthy hair. 9. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your hair regenerates while you sleep, so getting enough rest is essential for growth. Consider a calming nighttime routine to improve sleep quality. 10. Be consistent and patient. Hair growth is a gradual process. It usually grows about ½ inch per month. Stick to these tips, and you'll see noticeable results in a few months. Scalp care. 11. Massage your scalp daily for 5 minutes. Gently massaging your scalp improves blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. Use your fingertips, not nails, to avoid scratching. 12. Use aloe vera gel to soothe and hydrate your scalp. Aloe vera has enzymes that reduce dandruff, hydrate the scalp, and stimulate dormant hair follicles. Apply fresh aloe vera gel and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing. 13. Exfoliate your scalp weekly with a natural scrub. Clogged pores can slow down hair growth. Mix brown sugar and coconut oil into a gentle scrub to remove dead skin cells and buildup. 14. Essential oils like rosemary and peppermint promote hair growth. Studies show that rosemary oil stimulates hair regrowth, while peppermint oil increases scalp circulation. Add 2 to 3 drops to a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil, then massage into your scalp. 15. Avoid using hot water when washing your hair. Hot water strips away natural oils, leaving your scalp dry and prone to irritation. Always rinse with lukewarm or cold water to seal the hair cuticles. 16. Detox your scalp with apple cider vinegar rinses. Apple cider vinegar restores your scalp's pH balance and removes residue from styling products. Mix 2 tablespoons with a cup of water and use it as a final rinse. 17. Wash your hair less often. Frequent washing can strip your scalp of its natural oils. Stick to washing 2 to 3 times a week, especially if your hair is dry. 18. Protect your scalp from the sun. UV rays can damage your scalp and weaken hair. Use a scarf, hat, or UV protectant spray when you're outdoors for long periods. 19. Switch to a satin or silk pillowcase. Unlike cotton, satin and silk pillowcases reduce friction while you sleep, preventing breakage and split ends. 20. Avoid harsh chemical shampoos. Switch to shampoos that are sulfate-free and made with natural ingredients. Chemicals like sulfates can dry out your scalp and damage your hair. Diet and nutrition. 21. Biotin-packed foods like eggs and nuts are a must. Biotin is essential for keratin production, the protein that makes up your hair. Adding eggs, almonds, and walnuts to your diet will help strengthen hair and prevent breakage. 22. Load up on spinach and kale for iron and vitamin C. Hair thinning is often caused by iron deficiency. Spinach and kale are rich in iron, while vitamin C helps your body absorb it better. Together, they prevent hair fall and boost follicle health. 23. Salmon and flax seeds bring omega-3s for shiny locks. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish hair follicles and improve hair elasticity. If you're vegetarian, flax seeds and walnuts are great alternatives to salmon. 24. Drink herbal teas like green tea to boost scalp circulation. Green tea contains antioxidants like EGCG, which improve blood flow to the scalp, promoting growth and reducing hair loss. 25. Zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds prevent hair thinning. A lack of zinc can weaken hair strands. Pumpkin seeds, oysters, and chickpeas are fantastic sources of this mineral. 26. Hydrate. Your hair needs water just as much as your skin. Hair that isn't hydrated from within becomes dry and brittle. Make it a habit to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily for healthier strands. 27. Sweet potatoes for beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in your body, which helps your scalp produce sebum, a natural oil that moisturizes and nourishes your hair. 28. Beans and lentils are great plant-based protein sources. Hair is mostly made of protein, so a protein-rich diet is essential. Lentils and beans are especially good for vegetarians and vegans. 29. Avocado strengthens hair from root to tip. This creamy fruit is packed with vitamin E and B vitamins that repair damage and nourish your scalp, stimulating hair growth. 30. Limit sugary foods, they can weaken your hair follicles. High sugar intake can cause inflammation and disrupt your hormones, leading to hair thinning and slower growth. There you have it, 30 natural secrets to grow your hair healthier and longer. Remember, consistency is key. Let me know which tip you'll try first in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care secrets.